Nico Hülkenberg crashed out of the Qatar Grand Prix after a collision with Alpine's Pierre Gasly on lap 7, triggering a safety car and raising questions about McLaren's race strategy. The German driver, who had started 11th and was running 10th at the time, attempted an ambitious overtake around the outside of turn 2. Contact with Gasly sent Hülkenberg spinning into the gravel, forcing him to retire from the race. The incident disrupted the race order and created strategic challenges for several teams. After qualifying, Hülkenberg had noted that overtaking would be difficult at the Losail International Circuit, and his prediction proved accurate. Fans and analysts criticized McLaren's approach, questioning whether different pit timing or tire choices could have changed the outcome. The crash also highlighted the risks drivers face when attempting high-speed maneuvers in tight corners. In this video, we break down the incident, show key angles, and discuss how it impacted the championship standings and team strategies moving forward.